Welcome to my 3-minute overview of Apache Spark in Azure. Apache Spark is a big data processing tool that maximizes its speed and efficiency by distributing tasks across multiple computers and by also using in-memory data handling techniques. It prioritizes user-friendliness, supports various programming languages, and includes modules that enable familiar database querying, real-time data handling, machine learning, and visualization. On Azure, Spark is available in notebooks within Azure Resources. Azure Synapse, Databricks, and Fabric combined with Spark each offer cohesive big data analytics, machine learning, and data integration. Azure HD Insights also provides large-scale data processing built with more traditional tools from the big data space, such as Kafka. Spark powers the bleeding edge of data with Azure Machine Learning by providing an efficient data handler for model training and machine learning pipelines. Here's an example of Spark code in a Python notebook. It demonstrates data initialization, conversion to a Spark data frame, and filtering to a specific department within that data. While learning and writing Spark, keep these concepts in mind: distributed computing, in-memory processing, the data frame API, lazy evaluation, and immutability. These are some building blocks for how Apache Spark is able to be so efficient if used correctly. As an example, lazy evaluation is the idea of not doing anything with data until an action is triggered. This allows Spark to optimize an execution plan to remove inefficiencies before execution. If you are an Azure consultant that is contemplating Spark for a solution, I recommend considering the following: volume and latency, workload type, subject matter expertise, and budget. If a client is looking for a solution that can be spun up quickly, be understood immediately, and will work with kilobytes of data, a Spark solution may be overkill. Here are some examples of what questions Spark could be the answer to. One specifically would be, what's the best language for building scalable machine learning models with big data? Machine learning leverages massive amounts of data, and Spark was built specifically to handle this. Spark isn't always the answer, though. Spark would not be the answer to a question like, I need a tool specifically for managing and querying relational databases. While Spark is a versatile tool for many scenarios, it isn't always the most optimal solution. In summary, Spark offers distributed processing, in-memory speed, scalable analytics, versatility, and strong Azure integration. It's great for big data and can solve most problems, but understanding a client's wants, needs, and capabilities ultimately dictate if Spark is worth it.